Good afternoon everyone. So a long and much awaited exam was finished today, and that is Navodaya 2025. So my dear children, I hope every one of you have done your examination very nice, and let's hope for the best results from all of you. I am Rajeshwari Vikrant Nadagoda from SAINIK School Coaching Center, Lokapur. Today I am going to solve the Navodaya 2025 question paper, which was finished today, that is on 18th January 2025. Come on, let's start with the intelligence first. Yes, my dear children, now for the section 1 we will be moving, and the question paper here I have taken is of code A. So first, mental ability part 1 we will be starting. So first, the direction of part 1 is wherein we need to select the figure which is different, which is nothing but odd one out. As you all know, I have already encircled all the correct options here. The first one here will have the correct answer as C. Shapes are the actual shapes where there are no intersecting lines. The second question is having a correct option as A. Whereas all the arrows they have base with horizontal lines, the option A doesn't have any base. Next one, the third question is having the odd one out here is option C. Okay. Next one, fourth question is having option A. Rest all the other options are having the multiplication sign and the dot sign side by side, wherein these are diagonally opposite. Next we are going to the part second, wherein the direction of these questions are, we need to select the answer figure which is exactly the same as question figure, and we need to darken the circle. Here the figure which is given in the fifth question figure, it exactly resembles the shape in answer figure, that is option D. Question number 6, the question figure resembles here the option B. Question number 7, the same figure here is option B. Question number 8, the same figure that is resembling question figure is option B. Next, moving to part 3, we need to find out the answer figure which, without changing the direction, fits in the missing part of the question figure in order to complete the pattern. So, incomplete figure we need to complete them by choosing any of the answer figure. Question number 9, we need to fit in taking the option D, then we can complete the figure. Question number 10, option D. Question number 11, option B. Question number 12, option D. Now moving to part 4, the direction of this is find out one figure from among the answer figure given on the right side which occupies the blank space for the fourth figure on the left side indicated. So we need to indicate our answer. So the question number 13 has option B. See, if you carefully observe the question number 13, the first figure has 5 lines, second figure has 4 lines, next one has 3 lines, and obviously the next figure should have any 2 lines. So the option will be B. Question number 14. The first figure has 3 horizontal lines crossed, second figure has 2 lines, third figure has 1 line crossed, and we need to make sure that the next coming figure should not have any line in between, means intersected. The 14th question is having option C. Since all the figures are rotating anti-clockwise, the option C is the most appropriate one instead of option D. 15th one. See, the figure is rotating clockwise. So once you stepwise, if you rotate it clockwise, you will be getting the answer figure as option C. Question number 16. So the figures, they are moving in the anti-clockwise direction and they are pushing the next figures. The most correct answer will be option D. Part 5. So this is nothing but the analogy. We see that 17th question, it is rotated 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, this needs to be rotated anti-clockwise direction 90 degrees, which will be option C. Question number 18. It will be answer C. It will be exactly the mirror replica of a figure, first figure. Moving on to question number 19. The figures have been rotated anti-clockwise. The circles are filled and one set is removed. So the most appropriate one is option B. For question number 20, the answer will be option B. So we have embedded all the shapes into it. Now part 6. So question number 21 to 24, we need to find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure. So the 21st figure will be completed with the option A. As you can see, if you trace it well, this is the most appropriate one. Similarly, for the 22nd question, we have like this, which is option C. Question number 23rd and question number 24. This is the figure that fits in, which is option D. And here, option C. Now, this here comes part 7, which is we need to find the mirror images of a given questions. 25th, it will be option C. 26th, it will be option A. 27th, option C. 28th, option D. And moving on to next part 8, select the answer figure which indicates how the paper will appear when unfolded. So with this, we will be having option A 29th, 30th option B, 31st option B, 32nd option C. Next part 9th. We need to select the answer figure which can be formed from the cutout pieces given in the question figure. 33rd option D. If you join all those shapes, you will be having D option. 34th A option. 35 option C. Three right angles are there which are indicated here. 35 option C. 36 option B. Next part 10, to search for that figure. 37th, it will be option C. As you can see, this is the embedded, and here it is embedded. Next, question number 39 and 40. As you can see, it is embedded here. Next one is option C, it is embedded here. So by this we have completed the mental ability section. If you have any doubts regarding this section, please drop us a comment and kindly subscribe for our channel. Thank you.